This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Kellie Tucker. Complete renovation done in 2020, including new roof, vinyl siding, hot water heater, laminate and ceramic floors, large primary bedroom with full large bath and walk-in closet, stainless steel appliances, large utility room with deep well sink, 1.5 detached garage with workbench and fenced backyard, freshly painted throughout. Great location, minutes from beach, restaurants and brewery. Garage refrigerator does not convey. Closing cost assistance with use of preferred lender, Bufis NewTowne Mortgage. For more information, review the details below.